Hello students, today we will discuss about the antivirus. What is antivirus? Antivirus is a program which is designed to identify, prevent and remove viruses from a computer. It performs the following task in a computer. Means that antivirus is just like a program which is designed to identify the virus which is there in a computer. Some tasks are there in a computer. First is antivirus scans computer files to look for unknown viruses from virus dictionary and tries to remove them. Second, identifies suspicious behavior of any computer program which might indicate infection. Scans incoming emails which might contain virus in the attachment. So these all are the tasks which is performed by the antivirus in a computer. Some popular antivirus software in use nowadays are as follows: McAfee, Quick Heal, Symantec Norton Antivirus, AVG Antivirus, Microsoft Security Essentials. So these all are the some popular antivirus software which is used nowadays. How antivirus works? All antivirus applications operate on similar principles. There are two main components in an antivirus: a virus database that contains a list of file patterns which are used to identify a virus. Second, the second component of an antivirus is a scan engine which scans files and compares them with the pattern files to verify if there is any infection. So, these two components are there of an antivirus. Now, what is the importance of regular updates? Means regular updates of an antivirus. So, what is the importance of updates of the antivirus? We have discussed in the above section that every antivirus has a virus database that contains a list of file patterns which are used to identify a virus. So, therefore, to catch different and new types of virus, the virus database of the antivirus has to be updated frequently. Frequently updating the antivirus software will ensure that the system is always armed and well prepared for the war against all type of virus threats. Most antivirus software companies provide the facility to download latest updates from their website. So, this is the importance of the regular updates of an antivirus. Now, next topic is using an antivirus software. How we are going to use antivirus software in our computer. So, what are the steps to use antivirus software? The steps to use an antivirus software are as follows. Now, I am going to tell you all the steps of using the antivirus software, how to use it in our computer. So, first step is to open AVG antivirus software. So, for that we have to click on start button of our computer. Then we have to go to the all programs, and after that AVG 2012 program. Then AVG user interface figure will be open. So, AVG user interface and the AVG Internet Security 2012 windows appears. So, this windows will be appear on your screen. So, this is AVG Internet Security 2012 window. In this, now we have to click on the scan option. Here it is scan option. Where it is a scan, this scan option we have to open it. Then this scan options, three options are displayed under scan for threats section. So, what are the three options? This is your scan for threats. First one is whole computer scan. Whole computer scan means to scan the whole computer. Second is scan specific files or folders, to scan the particular files or folders. Third is anti-rootkit scan, to scan for dangerous rootkits inside applications, drivers or libraries. So after that, click on the scan now option. So here it is a scan now option, to click on it. The scanning process starts. And if viruses are found, the antivirus will inform the same to the user and will either delete the virus or quarantine it. Next is when the scan process gets over, the message scan finished is displayed. So this is your all about how to use antivirus in our computer system. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.